How to log in to Aliexpress account. So if you want to log into your Aliexpress account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Aliexpress, and after searching here you will have www.aliexpress.com on the first search. Click on that and now it will take you to the website. So you can simply go for the upper right corner which has that sign in or register option. We can simply click on sign in. And now if you have already saved your account to your Aliexpress, then it will automatically enter your email address. But if you have not saved your account, then you need to enter your email address and then again you need to enter your password. Or if you want to sign into another account, then you can go for switch account and then you need to enter your email address. And after entering your email, click on continue. Or you can also continue with the Facebook, Google, Twitter, Apple, any one of these options. So after entering your email, enter your password. And after entering your password, click on sign in. And that's it. After clicking on sign in, you will be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.